Do you want to wake up in the morning and have a great French cup of coffee or Brazilian cup of coffee? Vote for Helena Lourdes for president, or Lourdes, like the ones that knows how to speak French. I'll make wonderful coffee and I'll make America green again. Without the industries, open up jobs and education, which I've been a teacher since 1989, and I'm still a teacher. I never gave up on my students, and the world needs me. They're right here. The wonderful world needs education, healthcare, and I work with a health media company creating programs for preventing all these nasty things that's going on that I don't buy it. Yes, the world needs you too. Join us for making America strong again. Vote for Helena Lourdes. Woman in charge. We get it done. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. And yes, I'm American citizen. Being American citizen for many years. My accent is my French accent, and I was gonna carry that. Yeah. Like the French gave the Statue of Liberty. We always love freedom. We enjoy freedom. And you wanna make the Americans strong again? Vote for me. Thank you. Ta-da.